Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone not charging iOS 17. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have restarted your iPhone. Sometimes a simple reboot is all your iPhone needs to wipe out any software glitches and get your iPhone back on track. Press and the hold of the power button and either volume button up and down until slide of the power option appears on your screen. Sweep the slider to right to turn off your iPhone. Wait a few minutes and then press the hold power button to turn your iPhone back on again. Then second solution, you have check the optimized battery charging feature. If you notice that your iPhone stopped charging at 80%, no need to stress out. Since iOS there has been features aimed plugging battery life, and it is named optimized battery. So you have open the setting, click on battery health, scroll up, optimize battery charging. When you are facing this issue, so you have turn off from here. Then third solution, clean your charging port. So then you have clean the charging port. No matter where you keep your iPhone, pocket parts, all stuff backpack it. Tiny charging port is just and bars magnet length can accumulate in this small opening and obstruct the connections between your charging cable and your iPhone. So you have clean and then your problem will be fixed. Then fourth solution, you have checked the iPhone charging cable and adapter. Your iPhone charging cable is far more likely to wear out and stop working than your actual iPhone. Look for signs of damage to cable, exposed wires and dark spots around the connectors. Even if there are no visible signs of damage to your charging cable, try charging your iPhone with different cable to see if the fixes your charging issue. Then fifth solution, make sure iPhone software is up to date. While not a common issue, sometimes outdated software can interfere with your iPhone ability to handle basic tasks like charging when it is plugged into. Rule out this issue. Ensure that your iPhone running the latest iOS version, the iOS operating system. So you have opened the setting, click on general, click on software update. Is iOS latest version is available, so you must be installed. The last solution, you have reset all setting on your iPhone. You have tried resetting and rebooting your iPhone, but it still will not charge when you are plugged into the last step before calling in professional to reset your iPhone settings. So you have opened the setting, click on again general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting. iPhone given a password, then you have enter a password. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.